Thank you for joining us today to learn more about the advanced calendar features in the Presence website. Be sure to watch Calendar Basics before this video and check out Resource Central to learn more about other aspects of your site. To access the advanced calendar functions of a calendar event, I'll first click on the previously created calendar event. While looking at the event description, I can click on the Edit tab to access the event creation screen. This is the same page created when the green plus icon was pressed or when one double-clicks on a day to create an event. While editing the event, you will see the Contact field. The contact will only matter if you're using the registration function of the event. Clicking on the User selector, I can use the search engine to find my name, highlight it, click Add, and then click OK. This sets me up as the contact for the event. Use event registration for registered users to confirm their intent to attend an event appearing on your calendar. Under the Recurrence settings, clicking on Event Registration will load additional settings. Here you can set a registration deadline and an event capacity. For this event, we'll say that the registered users will have to click on the registration link before 1 a.m. on the day of the event. An event capacity will limit the number of registered users who can sign up for the event. If I click on Yes for registration approval, the contact, in this case myself, would receive an email with a calendar link when someone registers. I would have to come to the Approval tab of this event and click on the Approve button in order for them to register. If I do not want to have to approve the registration, but I still want to be notified that someone has registered, I can click No to the registration approval and Yes to the administrator notification. I would still get the email, but would not be required to come to the calendar to hit Approve or Reject. While the event capacity will only allow a set number of registered users to register, enabling a waiting list and size will allow more individuals to click on the registration link. After the event is full, the next registered user to click on the link will be notified that they've been placed on a waiting list for the event. If someone who is registered for the event cancels their registration, the registrant on the waiting list will automatically be registered. The Participants section allows you to invite registered users by name or group. Clicking on the User selector, I could choose individuals from the right column or groups from the left column. Highlight the name or group, click Add, and then OK. As soon as I save this event, everyone in the Members field will receive an invitation that says you've been invited to participate in this event with the event details. The Non-Members area would allow you to type in email addresses separated by commas. Something to note, though, is that participant names and non-member emails will show to anyone who is viewing event details. Below the event description, you can upload a flyer or file using the Attachments button. The Published Calendars button allows me to publish this event to another calendar on the site. You can only push an event to calendars that are not hidden and that do not have the Require Administrator Approval checked in the Properties tab of the calendar you are publishing it to. For this demonstration, I will push the events to the site calendar. I click on Select Calendars and then click the blue arrow next to the site name. I then expand the plus symbols until I reach the calendar or calendars that I want to push this event to. I check the box next to the calendar and the name will read in the right column. I can then click OK to finish the selection. When I update all recurrence events, the event will now show on the site calendar, and therefore the upcoming events portlet on the home page. This is what the event description now looks like. Notice the Click Here to Register link. I can push an event one event at a time, but if I want to grab all of the events from a calendar, I can do this from the Edit tab of the calendar itself. I can pull all the events from any published calendar. No specific permissions are required. This is the same tab from the Calendar Basics video where we turned on all of the filters. Below the filters, there is a Merged Calendar section. I click on Select Calendars, and then the process is the same for pushing events. I expand the blue arrow and the pluses until I reach the calendar I wish to pull all of the events from. Again, I check the box next to the calendar or calendars, and then click OK. You'll now see all of the events from the selected calendar on your calendar. That covers registration, pushing events, and pulling events from another calendar. The next video will cover inserting an iCal feed. Thank you for watching and have a great day.